In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable sensitive content on Twitter. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable sensitive content on Twitter, but this time on your desktop. I will have a video on the channel if you want to know how to do it on your mobile phone, or it is a similar kind of process. So first of all, what you'll need to do is log into your Twitter account, and then you'll need to click on more right here. Once you click on more, you can now click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, as you can see, you have a load of different options here, and the one we need in today's video will be privacy and safety. Once you click on privacy and safety, as you can see on the right hand side here, you will need to click on content you see. Once you click on content you see, you need to make sure this option here at the top, display media that may contain sensitive content, you need to make sure this is enabled right here. Once you do that, and if you go back, as you can see, if you click on it again, this setting has now been saved on your account. So that's how you can go ahead and enable sensitive content on Twitter, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.